Talk to me.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is LachelleTrends, and in today's video I'm coming to you with another wig review slash install on this unit you see me wearing right here. This unit was sent to me from BLY Hair. This is a company from Amazon, so another Amazon slay. So yeah, I'll have them linked in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel I do hair videos, fashion videos, as well as play and makeup, so go ahead and join the gang, sis. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah, girl, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So again, I received this unit from BLY Hair. That's Beauty, Love, and You. And it came in this box right here. And inside of the box was just the unit and this wig cap. With the unit, I already pre-bleached the knots and as well plucked this unit. So this is what we are looking like. And this is from the bag. This is a water wave unit and it's 24 inches and it is a 4x4 closure unit. So again, this is what we are looking like. And then this is what the inside of the cap is looking like. Here is your 4x4 closure. The two combs, one on either side, a comb in the middle along with a comb at the bottom. And I want to say adjustable straps, yeah, and adjustable straps. So far we are looking pretty good. I did check the ends for frizziness. They're looking okay. It's not frizzy like that at all. It is a little thin because it's thicker right here and thin once you get right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully I don't have to cut or trim anything, but it is a curly unit, so it should be okay. But you know, we'll know better once we put her on. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so starting off, I'm just gonna put my hair into two little plaits and or maybe just like little twists or whatever. And I'm only showing you this because I feel like a lot of people always ask me what I do underneath my wig cap. And this is basically all I do is just plait my hair into little plaits and then pin them up, and that is it. I'm not like a huge braider just because it takes a lot of time for me. It's time consuming and just, girl, I'm lazy. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm just taking my Sally Hansen leg spray and I'm going to use this as my lace tint. And I know you guys are like, why doesn't she not have lace tint? Sis, I've been using this for years now, and I probably should invest in some lace tint. And this is almost gone, so after, you know, this is gone, I will invest. But I mean, it works just as good. This is what we're looking like, and then I'm just gonna blow dry it to like just seal it in. To glue my wig down, I'll be using my Got To Be Glue Free Spray. Now I'm going to go back in using my Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm going to take these two little powders and mix them together and just place them like so, just so our lace can blend a little bit better. Now I'm going to go back in using that same Got To Be Glue Free spray and just repeat the same steps. Okay, girl, we're definitely looking melted. As far as I can tell, we're looking good. Definitely in person. Okay. Now I'm about to turn this heat up to 15. I think this goes up to 20. I had it on 10, and this is from Walmart. Very cheap. It was like $19.99. But I turned it up because I feel like it didn't do much. I'm going to go in with this Got To Be Glue Free spray. And this is just going to act as my wax stick. So hopefully we can lay it down flatter. And I'm just going to take my little brush and brush that in. Yes, sis, that's what it needed. More heat. We are laying flat. Now we're gonna do these baby hairs. And to lay my baby hairs, I'll be using again this Got To Be Glue Free spray. Now we're about to curl this hair up, and I'm gonna go in with some water and my Cantu curling cream. Okay, y'all, so we're basically done. I'm just going to add some more powder from my Black Radiance Contour Palette. And we're just going to go in on those light spaces, like right here, and just fill it in. Okay, sis, so this is what we are looking like, and sis, we are looking very cute. The curls is popping, everything is everything, girl. We look good. So yeah, let me turn around so you can see the back. So that was the back, sis. Let's go ahead and pull everything back up to, ooh, girl, caught in my necklace. Let's pull it all back up to the front and get situated. So yeah, again, everything, again, this unit was sent to me from BLY Hair. This is a company from Amazon. I'm not sure that I said that in the beginning, but this is an Amazon store, and let's go to their website. So this is their water wave lace front wig in the color natural. It's a 4x4 HD transparent lace. It says 200% density, full and thick hair, and it is 24 inches. So girl, let's get into these details. So first and foremost, it is big head friendly. You guys know I have a big head. I didn't struggle to put this unit on at all, and it just fits very comfortable, so it does get a big head friendly pass. The texture of this unit is just very soft hair. You can run your finger straight through it. You receive minimal shedding. I didn't receive any tangling at all, so that's always a plus. And y'all, when I say minimal shedding, I really mean minimal shedding. And you know, with any unit, it's gonna shed a little bit. Curly units shed more than like a straight hair unit or whatever. But y'all, this was just like the bare minimum. I do still stand by what I said in the beginning, that the hair does thin out once you get to right about here. It's fuller right here and thinner right here. However, once you put the product on and the hair dries, sis, you can't tell. Thin wear, sis. Like, you cannot tell that it's thin at all. Now, it is, all of the hair is pulled up to the front, but yeah, once the hair dries and stuff, and after you put the product in and whatnot, everything just starts to expand. It gets bigger, and again, you cannot tell that the hair is a little bit thin at all. So I'm not mad at it. We look good, and I didn't have to go in and trim anything. The ends of the hair look good. They're not frizzy. Yeah, they're not frizzy. I did go in and add a generous amount of product to this hair, and I normally don't add that much product to curly hair, just because I want to make sure that I'm not drenching it and just overcoming the frizziness, if that makes sense. But anyways, I think it looks really good. The curls popped. Like, girl, the curl pattern is so pretty. I really like this water wave curl pattern. Everything looks good, sis. And I waited about 30 minutes before I came on camera, because I do like for the hair to expand and dry. I like the dry curly. I don't really like the wet look. But yeah, girl, like I said, everything expanded. You can't tell that it thinned out at all, and it just looks good, sis. The lace melted very nicely. It did say that this was HD transparent lace, and I think overall it melted very nicely. The lace plucked very nicely as well. It plucked very good, to be honest. And I think that it took my volume, girl, I couldn't even get it out. I think it took the bleach well as well. Well, maybe more so in the front. In the back, it didn't take the bleach as good, but sometimes I don't know, sometimes I have a little bit of problems with bleaching my knots. But overall, I think after you put the lace tint and stuff on there, it looks very good. Add the powder, girl. We look good, period. You can't tell me anything. We look good. The hair looks good. The curls is popping. And yes, sis, I'll have this unit linked in the description box below if you want to get your hands on it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.